Welcome back. We're now going to look at GoToWebinar as an application being used in Zapier. So we'll then select GoToWebinar in the search bar. And you'll notice a number of different applications, but what we're going to do is first go down to the Zapier app details. And you'll notice that there are triggers and there are actions for GoToWebinar. GoToWebinar has traditionally not been able to provide lead generation connections. Therefore, Zapier affords you the ability to add your GoToWebinar registrants to your Aweber list, your GetResponse list, your Infusionsoft list, and your MailChimp list. All of those are integrations that you can test with GoToWebinar. You can also automate the process of registering new GoToWebinar attendees from your Facebook lead ads. Since a common connection is Aweber, we'll take a closer look at how you'd integrate the two. So we're going to click Use this Zap. So we're then going to click Create this Zap. And the trigger is going to be when someone registers for a webinar. So we're then going to click Continue. So we'll verify that we have already done this. Once we have verified the event, we'll then click Continue. We'll then send a test to GoToWebinar. Once we've verified that it is working, we'll then click Continue. We'll then select a certain webinar, and then we'll click Continue. Now, in order to test the connection, we need to have at least one registrant already created. So we'll need to make sure that we have that done, and then we'll click Fetch and Continue. Zapier will verify that the test is working. We'll then click Continue. And now we'll look to create a new subscriber inside of Aweber. We'll then test the Aweber connection. We'll then click Save and Continue. Now, this is a good place to note that you can have multiple accounts set up with the same company. So if you have multiple Aweber accounts, you can set them all up with Zapier. So we're going to choose the account that we're going to be using, and then we're going to choose a specific list. Once we have our account and list, and we've verified the email and name, we're then going to click Continue. Once we have it, we'll then send a test to Aweber. And now our test subscriber has been sent. Once we click Finish, our Zap is turned on. And you'll then see the Confirm Email request. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.